Yo, what up, everybody? It's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue holding the lock button until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. Now, for any reason, if you stop this throughout the steps, just redo the steps. It's okay. You can let go. And there you guys go. Your phone has been soft resetted.